Johnny here for Johnny's Car Care and Advice. So today I'm going to be talking about H pipes versus X pipes, and right now I'm in front of the Bishop's University church. I'm filming here because at the end of this video I'm going to tell you why I'm actually filming behind with a church behind me. So today we're going to cover just some general why an H pipe or why to get an X pipe, but I'm also going to be giving you some sound clips of the car parked, but also some sound clips so that you can hear what an H pipe sounds inside the vehicle. So I still have the stock exhaust, but I have thrown on an H pipe, replacing the sound resonator that is about in the middle of the vehicle. So it makes the vehicle appear much more legal. It gives you about 10 decibels of sound more. So I actually really like the sound. I also love the fact that there's next to no chance, even if I do get pulled over, of getting a ticket, because the mufflers in the back look and are completely stock. However, the sound isn't stock at all because I cut out the resonator, and I will show you also in the video how to cut out and replace your resonator with either an X pipe or H pipe, because in reality the setup and installation is the same for either setup that you decide to go with. So I hope this video will be helpful for you in choosing whether to get an H pipe or an X pipe. So here we have the new H pipe installed on the Mustang GT 2018. So the H pipe is supposed to give us a little bit more low-end torque and a bit more of a muscle car sound, as opposed to an X pipe. An X pipe would have given us a little bit more horsepower at high RPM and a bit more of a race car sound. So I wanted a bit more of a muscle car sound because I'm mostly just driving around town and I don't do any track. If I did a lot of track, I'd probably go with the X pipe. So here we go. have a church behind me, Bishop's University Church. I want to show that it's part of my ride when I want to have something really nice to do on the weekend. First of all, I love the trip going from Sherbrooke, Bishop's University, driving around the campus, going to get an ice cream in Quaticook, and then heading over to North Hatley, beautiful lake. Other lakes also, Lake Magog, Memphra Magog in Magog is a great ride.